Large-scale steel recycling begins where end-of-life vehicles enter controlled industrial systems. Vehicle volume defines the raw material capacity of steel recycling facilities. Mechanical handling replaces manual dismantling at industrial scale. Controlled compression optimizes feed geometry. Continuous feed stabilizes shredder throughput. High-energy shredders fragment vehicles into recyclable material streams. Energy transfer drives material separation efficiency. Fragment size defines downstream sorting accuracy. Magnetic force isolates steel from non-ferrous components.
Ferrous recovery efficiency determines recycling yield.
Automated separation maintains material purity. Electromagnetic systems refine metal classification. Clean scrap flow supports metallurgical consistency. Real-time data stabilizes melt chemistry. Scrap inventory balances furnace demand. Precise charging controls furnace input ratios. Electric arc furnaces convert scrap into molten steel. Electrical energy replaces traditional ore reduction. Thermal dynamics homogenize recycled steel. Temperature control defines metallurgical quality. Slag management improves steel cleanliness. Controlled tapping transfers refined steel. Molten steel logistics require synchronized motion. Alloy control aligns steel to structural specifications. Continuous casting shapes recycled steel efficiently. Mold cooling defines solidification geometry. Solidified steel enters forming stage.
Controlled cooling prevents internal stress.
Length consistency supports downstream forming. Automated handling maintains rhythm. Thermal conditioning prepares steel for deformation. Heating profiles influence grain structure. Rolling mills convert solid billets into hollow forms. Piercing creates pipe geometry. Incremental deformation ensures structural strength. Continuous flow supports mass output. Controlled cooling stabilizes steel microstructure. Surface cleaning prepares pipes for coating. Protective coatings extend service life. Coating adhesion depends on controlled curing.
Precision verification supports structural use.
Traceability supports global construction logistics. Bundling optimizes transport efficiency. Secure binding prevents movement.
Internal logistics sustain flow.
Digital tracking maintains accountability. Storage scale reflects construction demand. Contact control preserves surface quality. Pipes await structural deployment. Heavy lifting systems manage extreme weight. Recycled steel re-enters civilization.
Certification ensures compliance.
Recycling transforms waste into structure.
Material quality reflects controlled processing.
Structural steel supports vertical architecture.
Manufacturing aligns with architectural vision.
Destination defines production significance. Protection preserves precision. Recycling operates continuously. Data integration drives consistency. Efficiency supports sustainability.
Preventive care protects uptime.
Safety systems protect high-energy processes. Risk control remains mandatory.
Coordination defines industrial discipline.
Internal consistency defines load performance. Steel enters global infrastructure networks. Shipment integrity is secured. Recycling facilities anchor modern cities. Controlled recycling reduces environmental impact. Scale defines transformation power.
Every material has a previous life.
Heat resets material history. This steel is engineered for permanence. Industrial order replaces chaos. Distribution completes transformation. Data closes the production loop. Industrial recycling never sleeps. Efficiency integrates into scale. This is industrial recycling at maximum capacity. Precision defines engineering steel.
Cities rise from industrial foundations.
Recycled steel supports iconic architecture. Millions of vehicles become engineered structure. Inside the largest automotive recycling and steel pipe manufacturing facility,